or Mutya to be called, we have Mutya 13. Hello,
All right,
Mutya 13. While we're waiting for our candidates to be settled in our isolation car, wherein a loud music will be played, I'd like to commend Mutya number 13 for making it to the top 5. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm actually enjoying the show.
Yeah, we're actually enjoying as well. Looks like you're really enjoying. And not only you, your 4 friends are enjoying the music there at the isolation car, I would say.
I hope you are ready, Mutya number 13. Now, just for the information of everybody, our candidates here on stage have 60 seconds. Oh, it was reduced now to 45 seconds to answer our final question that was to be given by Mr. Constantine Vesperas. I'm so looking forward to this question because I'm sure that whoever will get the heart of Mr. Constantine tonight will surely, we'll see her on the Limgas stage.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves. Here we go.
Are you ready, Mutya number 13?
I am ready.
Good luck.
She's
to
born
you.
ready. In fact, she's with the top 5. So here you go. All right, I'm going to repeat the question twice. Here we go. For the final question, the slogan of the province of Pangasinan, under the dynamic leadership of our governor, the Honorable Ramon Monmon V. Kiko III, is Pangasinan ang galing. In your own opinion, what makes Pangasinan magaling?
Well,
Can I repeat that? Okay, she's so ready for the questions. All right, let me repeat that. The slogan of the province of Pangasinan, under the dynamic leadership of our governor, the Honorable Ramon Monmon V. Kiko III, is Pangasinan ang galing. In your opinion, what makes Pangasinan ang galing? Ready? And your 45 seconds starts now.
well, Pangasinan is known for its beautiful landscape. Not just the beautiful landscape, but also the warmth of the people here. That makes Pangasinan, Pangasinan. It makes our community one, and as I am here, an instrument to provide meticulous love and support, I would love to bring the Pangasinan to the other provinces or even countries, so it will be recognized, and that makes Pangasinan my beloved hometown, my beloved, my love for UMINGAN. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mutya 13.
Thank you very much, Mutya number 13. Our second candidate, making her way to the crowd, onto our stage, we have the crowd favorite, Mutya number 15.
The Ia Villania of UMINGAN, Pangasinan. Yes, number 15. Here you go. Hi. So how's the party inside the car?
Wala ka po talagang maririnig kasi sobrang lakas po ng music.
And what was the music playing?
Wala po, parang...
No, I was just actually giving you a breeze. So there you go. Get ready for the question, and I'm going to read the question twice. Good luck. Here we go. The slogan of the province of Pangasinan, under the dynamic leadership of our governor, the Honorable Ramon Monmon V. Kiko III, is Pangasinan ang galing. Now, in your own words and opinion, what makes Pangasinan ang galing? All right. Again, the slogan of the province of Pangasinan, under the dynamic leadership of our governor, the Honorable Ramon Monmon V. Kiko III, is Pangasinan ang galing. So in your words and opinion, what makes Pangasinan ang galing?
Thank you for the wonderful questions. I believe that Pangasinan ang galing is a beautiful word that we can express ourselves and also the cultures and traditions of here, of this Pangasinan. I will include the cultural of UMINGAN because this UMINGAN is part of Pangasinan, and also these have a traditions and cultures and also the costumes. We have a Bell and Carabasa festival, so that we are here at UMINGAN, Pangasinan, celebrating the 5th Carabasa festival, and I am here in front of all of you, in front of all of you, to represent the UMINGAN that it is a part of Pangasinan ang galing. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mutya number 15.
Pangasinan, Umingan.
Quite lovely here on stage. Now let's move forward with our third candidate who
All
made
right.
it to our top 5 finalists. We have Mutya number 3.
Okay. Here we go.
Hello to you, Mutya number 3.
How are you feeling tonight?
I feel great, and I didn't expect that I will be one of the top 5 finalists.
All right, but you're here. You're here now. You deserve it. So now, you also get to answer the same question that was asked from the past 2 candidates before you. So here we go. I'm going to read the question twice, and you may answer in Tagalog, Ilocano, or even in English, all right? Any language that you're comfortable using. So the question is, the slogan of the province of Pangasinan, under the dynamic leadership of our governor, the Honorable Ramon Monmon V. Gico III, is Pangasinan ang galing. In your own words and opinion, what makes Pangasinan ang galing? All right? Again, the slogan of the province of Pangasinan under the dynamic leadership of our governor, Honorable Ramon Monmon V. Gico III, is Pangasinan ang galing. So in your own words and opinion, what makes Pangasinan ang galing?
Pangasinan ang galing because we Pangasinense are talented and have their own knowledge and capabilities to showcase our province to our national, and it is also one of the most incredible tagline that can showcase the Pangasinan. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
What
very
a tagline.
much. Mutya number 3.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's getting tougher and tougher for our judges
Exactly.
now,
Different,
I believe.
different opinions, but you know, it all boils down to making Pangasinan great. All right. Here we go.
So we have our 4th candidate.
Can we have the 4th candidate? Here we go. You'll be the 6th candidate, all right?
Yeah,
Get ready
I'll be
for
the
your
6th
answer.
candidate. Well, I'm just hoping that you didn't hear that one. Well, just to be fair to other candidates as well. So we have your Mutya number 9.
All right, here we go. Hi, Mutya number 9. What is your height?
5'9" po.
Oh, 5'9", and with the heels on. All right, now you're taller than I, but yes, we deserve a taller answer to this tall question because the question comes from Sir Constantine, and you'll have to answer this. I'm going to read the question twice. The slogan of the province of Pangasinan under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Governor Ramon Monmon V. Gico III is Pangasinan ang galing. In your own words and opinion, what makes Pangasinan ang galing? Okay, one more. The slogan of the province of Pangasinan under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Governor Ramon Monmon V. Gico III is Pangasinan ang galing. So in your own words and opinion, what makes Pangasinan ang galing?
For me, Pangasinan ang galing is the definition of Pangasinense, who have the voice that empowers others, who have the mind, who have the spirit that can fight certain causes. We Pangasinense have the platform and advocacy that empowers others. We are Pangasinense. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
very
so
much,
much.
Mutya number 9. Now, Reb, I'm gonna stop you with that one. So, to give our candidates a fair fight for this evening, let's call on our 5th finalist.
There you go.
I'm sure this is going to be harder and harder for our judges to choose the rightful candidate to be crowned tonight
Last
as
one.
Mutya UMINGAN 2024. And we have here Mutya number 8.
Here we go.
Hello to you, Mutya number 8. Well, I hope you are now prepared and ready for this one. You have your friends over there ready to support you tonight. Rebel will read the question to you twice. You have 45 seconds to answer in any language you're comfortable with. Good luck to you.
All right. So the question is, the slogan of the province of Pangasinan under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Governor Ramon Monmon V. Gico III is Pangasinan ang galing. So in your own words and opinion, what makes Pangasinan ang galing? One more? Take a deep breath. The slogan of the province of Pangasinan under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Governor Ramon Monmon V. Gico III is Pangasinan ang galing. So in your own words, what makes Pangasinan ang galing?
What makes Pangasinan ang galing is through the people who are empowered. As an advocate for empowerment, I believe that empowerment is not just a goal, but it is a movement. As MUTYA UMINGAN, I stand as ambassador for resilient strength and empowerment. Let's lift each other up, break barriers, and pave the way for a world where everyone can thrive and shine. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you very much to all our candidates. How about another round of applause to our candidates? We have now concluded our final question and answer for MUTYA UMINGAN 2024. We are now moments away from crowning our new queen.